let it play me down. Just open up my phone and it said it needs space. So I hop on a full flat and on speed race. I just was the only OG. Did alleviate all your friends' fans. Take it to you. I will. And if I got been now, I will do it now. Take care of me.
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in today. So of course I have a new wig. This wig is from Arabella hair, and let's go ahead and get into what came in the packaging. So everything is pretty standard. This is what you'll need to style your wig, and then you have a bag to put your wig in after you're done using it. So getting into the actual wig here, it is gorgeous out of the packaging, and it's ready to wear. So I actually did nothing additional to this unit. I just put it on my head and added a little bit of makeup. So this is the body wave texture. As you guys can see, it came pre-plucked, bleached, and customized. The lace is also cut, so definitely beginner friendly, perfect for beginners actually, and it's a glueless unit. So this is the inside of the unit, and it doesn't have any combs, but it did come with a strap that you can attach to the wig. So I'm just trying it on for you guys straight out of the packaging. This is what it looks like. And as you can see, the lace does not match my skin tone, but the lace is very nice, super thin, and it's perfect for blending, easy to blend. So again, definitely beginner friendly. But let's go ahead and add the makeup so I can put it on. Now this is something I recently learned. Kind of flat ironing your lace before you put it on gives more of like a seamless look. So I tried that out and loved it. And now I'm just gonna be adding my makeup, hot combing, so we can be super flat. So like I said, it came with baby hairs already like ready. So I'm just cutting those, and then I'm gonna do some face framing layers. Super easy. And then now we're just gonna style. So I did add like curls to this unit. The hair again is gorgeous. It holds a curl very, very well. And as always, I love this company. I've never had an issue. Shipping is super fast and easy, as well as the customer service. So go ahead and just watch me finish styling this unit. And I hope you guys love it. Let me know what you think below. And please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you like it, of course. And I cannot wait to see you all in the next one.
And it said it needs space, so I hop on a full flat and on speed race. I just was the only OG. Did alleviate all your friends' fans and names. Just they abbreviate, and I don't like that. You know I like thoughts. I'm about to pull up on a field with some white cross, baby. Expensive taste. These girls got expensive taste. Tryna hold my weight. Booty bouncing up and down, make a trampoline break. And that ain't no makeup, she got a Maybelline face. I'm a Chetty and bait, I don't even need a break. Got the fog in her throat, she sound like I need a bit. You know I like that, like when you talk back. You got me spending all my money, now I'm down bad, baby. Expensive taste, these girls got expensive taste. Tryna hold my weight, but I don't really got the patience. She wanna be a star. Just bought a new, I know what that's about. Friends for being friends, let's take another route. Skin fluid again, I know she from the south. Last night happened fast, I know you better know. Fiending and hit the deep and like, let's go. Teasing, don't get too seasick, I'll try to boat. Bags like the Western pistol that's in my coat. Now I'm in a black ride, cause I like the speed race. Shawty blowing up my phone, she said she got a meat trace. She a capper, I just told her shawty leave Jason. My bro text me and Jordan Planet Eastgate. Keep it on charge, I'm in here with the same dogs. In these cars, I had to make a play call. I wanna play shawty. Yeah, it's always that expensive taste. know it doesn't go. Friends for being friends, let's take another road. Skin Floridian, I know she from the south. Last night happened fast, I know you better know. Fiendin' and hit the deep and like, let's go. Teasing, don't get too seasick, I try to go. Bad at the West and pistol that's in my coat. Now I'm in a black ride, cause I like the speed race. Shawty blowing up my phone, she said she got a meat tray. She a capper, I just told her shawty leave Jay. Send my bro a text, me and Jordan plan the Eastgate. Call her, keep it on charge, I'm in here with the same dogs. In these cars I had to make a play call. I wanna play shawty, yeah, it's always that expensive taste, just let it play, we don't. Just open on my phone and it said it needs space. So I hop on a full flat and on speed race. I just was the only OG, did alleviate. All your friends, fans, or names, if they abbreviate. And I don't like that, you know I like thoughts. I'm about to pull up on a field with some white cross, baby. Expensive taste, these girls got expensive taste. Tryna up my weight, but I don't really got the patience. She wanna be a star. Well, girl, I'm not just patient. I'm still waiting on payments, but I know they on the way. Booty bouncing up and down, make a trampoline break. And that ain't no makeup, she got a Maybelline face. I'ma check in.